Now we will start register organization of 8085 microprocessor. Okay. In register organization of 8085 microprocessor consists of various general purpose register and special purpose register, special status register and flag registers. Special status register, accumulator is there. The accumulator means what? Accumulator is the 8-bit register. It holds one of the operand during all arithmetic operation, logical operation. It has a special status inside microprocessor. So its name is accumulator. After any ALU operation, the result should store in the accumulator. Then your general purpose register, that is indicated by GPR. GPR consists of group of register, that is B, C, D, E, H and L. GPR to store any temporary data during program operation. They can also be used as register pair like B, C, D, E and HL during 16-bit operation. Next, your special purpose register, that is indicated by SPR. SPR consists of stack pointer and program counter. Both are 16-bit register. Stack pointer, before stack pointer, we understand about stack. Stack is a sequence of memory designed by the programmer to store different data in serial form. Stack is a stack pointer is 16-bit special purpose register. It is always holds the address of the stack top. Every time during the stack operation, it is incremented or decremented by 1. Then our next is your program counter, that is indicated by PC. PC is also a 16-bit special purpose register. PC is used to store the address of the next instruction to be fetched for execution. When the instruction is fetched, the value of the program counter incremented or decremented by the increment-decrement register. Then last one is your flag register. It consists of, flag register is a 8-bit register. It consists 5 important status flag. Each flag bit indicates some condition that arise from arithmetic and logical operation. 5 important flag registers are, that is carry flag indicated by CS, then parity flag that is indicated by P, then auxiliary carry flag that is indicated by AC, and zero flag that is indicated by Z, and sign flag that is indicated by S.